Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable auto call recording on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the dialer app on your smartphone. Now from here, just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the display. Now from here, just tap on settings. Now from here, just tap on call recording. Now from here, scroll down and make sure you enable automatically record unknown calls. Now from here, just tap on always record. Now once you enable this option, it will automatically record unknown numbers. Now from here, tap on automatically record these numbers. Now from here, just enable this option. Now from here, just tap on always record. Now from here, if you tap on choose a contact, you can select the contacts on which it will automatically start call recording. Just like that. And this is how you can enable auto call recording on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.